All right, guys, welcome to the drone of the future video. Check this out. It's literally a backpack. Then you flip it open. Inside is a drone. I got really into drones when I went to Montana. My dad was having some health problems. He lives on a bunch of land and he needed to be able to see his fence line. So I got him a drone. And so he was able to fly the drone in the air and drive it all across his fence line. And in Montana, it's just wide open spaces everywhere. And you can just take drones up and just fly them super fast. So I was really excited to learn how to fly drones. And now I got this one. To me, it looks like something out of like Alien versus Predator. It looks like an attack drone. Like it's very intense. So first thing first is like this thing comes in this really rad backpack and it's like a very solid case and then everything you need is in there. All right, so look at this thing. This is beast mode. So I'm gonna take this packaging off. This is my first time ever using this drone. I've used other drones, but this is my first time using the Halo drone. So I wanted to check out all the features, give it a fly, take you guys through it so you guys can learn how to fly it as well. And I also want to point out, I am by no means a drone expert, okay? I've flown them before, but it's not like I'm like an expert at it. Okay, so I'm gonna flip out these arms like so. Oh yeah, I guess I gotta flip these ones forward first. And then there's these locking mechanisms. Yeah, just like that. Good. Just look at that thing though. Doesn't that just look gnarly? Like I said, I've never flown this one before, but it says that it goes 50 miles an hour. Just set this down right there. These are the propellers. I'm gonna figure out how to put these bad boys on here. Pretty self-explanatory. Look, put it in and then turn it and it locks. There's a little direction there, right to unlock, left to lock. Well, it appears to be working. I mean, I think worst case scenario, we're just gonna start it flying and the blades are gonna spin. And if they spin off, then we won't take off. Some of them are like righty-tighty, and some of them are lefty-tighty, if that makes sense at all. So you basically just have to see which ones are which. Well, this is a silver, silver, black, black. Look at that. I just can't get over how like gnarly that thing looks.
It looks like Star-Lord's gun from Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah, right? First, let's take a look at this remote. All right, so I downloaded the Halo Drone app on the App Store. It was just Halo Drone. And then I opened it up, and the first thing it says is allow Halo Drone to access your location while you are using the app. Allow. Wow, it instantly found where we are. I was a little bit worried about that. Like my cell signal up here is not great. Let's check the batteries. Yeah, we're full on the battery. Turn this bad boy on. Here we go, I'm gonna turn on the remote, get this thing all set up. If this isn't like straight up from the video game Halo, I don't know what it is. So this is like a GPS tracker thing. What? That's pretty sick. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this on and see if we can't get it connected here. So it's tap it once and then hold it down. You hear that beautiful noise? So I'm gonna open up this app here, see what we got. Same on the remote, one push, then hold it, and you turn it on. And now we're gonna connect it up to Wi-Fi of that specifically. It's like an airplane, which emits a Wi-Fi signal, which is basically makes us ready to go. Good, looks like we're connected up right here. We're gonna turn the camera on, and we are ready. Make sure you record, shaka. It does film 4K, but we're taking it out because our card in there is not that big. You want me to do the launch?
Oh, yeah.
You're like the professional flyer at this point. Yeah, let's fly this thing. It's always so scary when it just first takes off. You know, when you're not used to things like this. Yeah. Oh, you just want me to do it? Yeah, I do. Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah!
It's gonna fly to 16 feet, I think.
16 feet? Just automatically,
yeah.
So you don't touch anything?
Yeah.
Okay, steady as she goes.
I'll give that rest to you.
What do you mean? Is it filming right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just gonna let it go.
It should be the same.
I guess just automatically 16 feet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I will push the left joystick up, which will make it go higher. So the left joystick is up and down. Up and down, just like that. And then left and right turns it. You see that? I think we should like go up a little bit. What do you think? Wow, look at that view. That is actually an incredible view. Now let's turn and spin and see the whole city.
Oh, that's not bad.
Wow, it looks really cool, right? That is not bad. Wowzers.
Let me see.
Well, technically you will have this footage available, seeing how it is filming. Thank you, Gabe. Should I take it down?
Yeah.
All right, coming down. Coming down.
Doing surprisingly well for the wind.
Yeah, it's quite windy and it's doing really well. I'm gonna take it down low and see if we can hit Rowan's car with it.
You should land it on top of Rowan's car.
You want me to land it on Rowan's car? No. How do you do the camera like angle? Oh, I got it. Figured it out.
Yep.
So this left joystick right here, that does the camera angle. Should I try and fly it like somewhat far away? I got that thought. Thank you. Famous last words. Yep, you're right.
Yeah.
There it goes.
See if I can actually keep a camera on it.
We're gonna go down the train track.
Keep it. That is so scary. I can keep a camera on it.
What are you talking about?
Okay, it's going.
Uh-oh.
That's all you, right? Dude, put it in
Yeah.
speed mode. I want to see you go 50 miles an hour.
How do you put it into speed mode?
You're gonna lose it on top of someone's car.
Lose it. I'm a professional flyer, Gabe Cruz. Thank you very much.
Well, it might have just been the camera though.
What do you got on me now, Gabe? Yes, sir, it works. We're gonna take it down. We're gonna land it.
Same thing. Aaron, you nailed that.
First try! I just want to cover, because this is a tutorial about how to fly, the basic situation here that we have with the controls, okay? Up makes it go higher. This right here is like that. Down is down. This makes it spin to the left, spin to the right. And then this side is like all of these motions. So forward, like this makes it go like that. Back makes it go back, left, and right. Let's say you want to make it go like that, then you can do like the combos of these, right? It's actually really simple and easy to fly, and it's like super fun. So how you take off, super simple too. You just hit this button right here, boom, and then it says slide to take off. Thing you have to read these things carefully. It says, the drone will fly to 16 feet altitude and hover. Do not touch the propellers. Watch it cruise.
Oh, that's
Simple follow. Damn, I'm smooth. All right, guys, so we were outside flying this around, and I thought, you know, what would be good is what people probably want to learn is how to film skateboarding with this. So I'm going to do a couple skateboarding shots. I've filmed quite a bit in here with a drone. I'm going to show you what I have learned, which is quite a bit, I think, anyways. It's going to be very basic, simple stuff, but it is very important stuff that is going to keep you from crashing your drone into the Braille House walls, which is huge. Let's go. We connected everything up already. As you can see, the camera is on and it's connected to this phone, and everything is connected to this remote control. As you can see, we're in a warehouse, not the easiest place to fly a drone. If it's your first time flying a drone, please take it outside into an area where there's not a lot of walls. We have professional skateboarder Daniel here, who is going to ollie the 5-stair. And I'm going to film him ollieing that 5-stair, and we're gonna teach you in that process how to fly a drone. I'm just gonna push this little button right here, and that is going to take it off, and it is going to go to 16 feet. How high do you think that light is, Daniel? Hopefully less than 16 feet. Hover mode. Quite fantastic. Now I'm gonna start recording. I'm gonna tip the camera down, just like so. And then I'm gonna get it in position, so right here it's like right in front of the stairs. And I'm gonna go, oop, wrong button. I'm gonna go forward, which is the right joystick, and then Daniel's gonna go back, and Daniel's gonna ollie it, and I'm gonna gradually ease it back. I'm gonna ease it back as he does that ollie. And I'm gonna set it up in such a spot where it's just right above the stairs, right where he's gonna go. As you can see, it's right there. Give it a go, Daniel. So he's coming, I'm gonna gradually go back. Not bad, not bad. Not too bad. Let's give it another go, Daniel. Okay, so I gotta get it into position. And give it a go, Daniel. The thing is like backing up smoothly enough. That's pretty good, probably a little bit too far away. The main thing here that I want to point out to you guys is don't look at the screen. If you're in an area like this and you're trying to follow a skateboarder, watch the drone with your eyes. Because what'll happen is you'll be watching the screen and you'll be maneuvering the drone, and maybe you're thinking like, wow, I got this great shot, and then boom, wall. And it has happened in here before. We didn't crash this in here, but we have crashed a different drone into the wall, just simply because the person was watching it on the phone. Anyways, I think that we should review that footage and kind of check it out and see how that was. All right, guys, so there's some points on this Halo drone which make it really cool. Point number one is it's easy to fly. There are simple controls, automatically take off, land, and return to home with the press of a button. Point number two, precise GPS tracking. Whether you're in a crowd or moving quickly, the Halo drone will stay on target. Point number three, there are advanced follow modes. With the Halo drone's Pro Follow module, you'll always get the shot with 7 unique selfie and tracking modes. Number four, the Halo drone's Pro camera is powered by Sony's top-tier IMX377 image sensor. Perfect 4K 30p footage with 6-axis EIS and lens distortion correction. Number five, smooth gimbal focus. Making 2,000 adjustments a second, the 3-axis gimbal of the Halo drone will ensure you get smooth and stable footage. 6, auto flight capable. Plan your flights with waypoint navigation, mark up to 30 unique points on the map, and the Halo drone will take to the skies automatically. Number 7, designs with foldable arms, the Halo drone collapses down to a portable size. Point number 8, it has a detachable camera. Easy use the Halo Cam as a standalone camera or attach your camera of choice to the Halo drone. Incredible speed. This thing goes 50 miles an hour. It has a sports watch remote control. IP67 water resistant watch remote allows you to have follow controls in the moment while you bike, board, or ride. It's 259 reviews with 90% of them being 5 stars. That's pretty incredible. This is a cool piece of equipment. It looks really cool. It flies well. The gimbal is very smooth. You definitely just need to fully learn how to use all the remote controls and just really understand how to use these joysticks. And once you do that, it's actually super easy to fly. You can get some great shots. Yeah, there you have it. Huge thanks to Halo for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. There are many people that are very, very, very good at flying drones. I am okay at it. I can get some shots. And I hope this gave you some basics on how to fly a drone. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're not already, like, and leave that comment below. You guys know the drill.